Hello everyone, let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. First, I'm taking some of the hair strands and then giving them the twist one after the another from the one portion as apparent on your screens. After that, from the one side of the corner, you just have to tie it up into the classical braid as apparent on your screens. Once your braid is ready, you just have to roll it in this type of the direction in order to create this type of the bunny type of the hairdo. This is to be decorated using some of the flower pins. Next hairstyle is best suited for the medium length hair. Here I am taking some of the hair strands from the strand from our scalp. After that I am giving them the internal twists and the turns from both the ends as apparent on your screens. Once this thing is to be done, now the work is to be done on the left over here at the lower direction, that is to be tied up using the rubber band and converted into the bun. This is very simple and very easy. It's a casual type of the hairdo that you can just go and move out. Let's have a look for the another type of the hairstyle. This one is again best suited for the medium length hair. Here you just have to take some of the strands from the scalp and then convert it into this type of the braid. Then loosen the each braid, tie them at the proper position using the rubber band, give them the internal twist. This type of the hairstyle is very simple and very easy. You can definitely give them a try. One after the another, you just have to give the internal twist and the turns, and after that the lower portion is to be tied up into this type of the bunny type of the roll. We will now move further with this type of the hairstyle that's best suited for the long length hair. First, I have made the two divisions of the hair. The lower division is to be made, and then you can see how I'm trying to build this type of the braid out of using the upper one, and then the lower type of the side that we have tied up using the bun is placed over it. Thank you for watching.